Hey guys, it's your favorite girl Alicia Handles It, and I'm back with another video. And in this video today, guys, I am fixing my model's crown since we're crowning people today. And I'll be using my Marcel curling irons in this video. So you guys pay close attention, see what you can take away from this video, and I'll be back. Now, if you're new here, my name is Alicia Handles It, and on this channel, I handle how-tos, tutorials, unboxings, reviews, anything that has to do with beauty. You're in the right place. If you want to learn something, just hit that subscribe button, join the family, and we'll love on you over here. And make sure to turn on your notifications. If you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. And make sure to turn your notifications on so every time I drop a new video, you'll know about it. Now, enough about all that stuff. So when she just arrived, I just added a couple of pieces just to fill it in. She had it in for about, I want to say a couple of weeks, almost a couple of weeks. So she just wants it refreshed, you know? So I'm going to use my Marcel curling irons throughout this whole video. So you guys just enjoy. Now this was a quick weave installation, and it's a mohawk that I had cut down. And I just refreshed it like I told you guys earlier. I am just spraying some holding spray to hold those curls. And yeah. Right here, I just used some gloss to make it nice and shiny so it's not dry looking. And the key to getting a nice curl with your Marcel irons is just to make sure you have a good heat on there and hold it. And make sure, just hold it in place to keep that curl. Even though these are going to be like shadow curls, because eventually they're going to fall because the weather has been really like misty and changing a lot because we're in New England. So the weather is kind of iffy over here. These curls will last her for at least a week. It would eventually fall in like a wave pattern. So I'll be using 3 different sizes of Marcel irons. I'm gonna be curling back and forth like in a ocean type of wave. What do they call it? What's that curl? Ooh, beach wave. It's gonna be like a beach wave type of curl, like in and out. So that's the curl I'm trying to achieve because I don't want all the curls going in the same direction. So you do some over, some in, and have some of the ends sticking out. I call it fairy curls when you have some of the tails sticking out instead of curled all the way to the end.
The answer is obvious. He was trying to find somewhere to throw the family's body.
Now this was a quick weave installation that I did a couple of weeks ago. So guys, if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below and I'll be sure to handle them for you. Don't worry about it. I'm here. I'm going to answer your questions. I try to answer, and I think I do answer all the questions you guys give me. So show some love. You know I got to get out there in the algorithms, guys. I'm trying to get to 5,000 subscribers. So hit the subscribe button and show some love, guys. Mwah!
But as Jane approaches, she makes a note that she was wearing.
So as I did with the back, I am doing with the front. I am doing the beach wave type of curl. Some in, some out. So all the curls are not going in the same direction. So now I'm just cleaning her up with my trimmers that I got from Amazon. I will leave all the information to the things that I used in this video. But yeah, you guys will go over to Amazon and grab these trimmers. They're like really a good price and they get the job done. And they're chargeable, so you can just turn them on anywhere you're at. So now I'm just blending the curls, putting that good shine on it, making sure everything comes together, blend it properly, and here we go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as my model did. The second time around is always the best. So remember to hit that like button, guys. If you're not subscribed, because most of my people that watch my videos are not subscribed. Guys, it takes not even a second. It takes a millisecond. Just hit the subscribe button, guys. And I hope to see you in the next video, which is not going to be too long from now. So look at that. She loves it. I love it too. Yes. Thumbs up, guys. Mwah.